In the ever-evolving world of smart home technology, Google Home continues to assert itself as a leader, promising convenience, security, and intuitive control for modern adults. Over the past year, the Google Home ecosystem has seen a flurry of innovation, introducing advanced automation, tighter AI integration, and user-focused enhancements designed to make smart living more seamless than ever. The most striking update rolled out in June 2025, when Google announced a significant overhaul of the Google Home app. Users immediately noticed the streamlined interface, which now features customizable favorites. This allows for lightning-fast access to your most used devices, whether you're dimming living room lights or adjusting your smart thermostat. Improved smart home controls put the power of the entire house at your fingertips, eliminating the need to jump between multiple apps. For those with Google Nest cameras, the experience is even more robust. The app now offers faster loading camera footage and, for the first time, a picture-in-picture mode on Google TV. This means you can monitor your security feeds while watching your favorite shows, a small change that makes a big difference in everyday convenience. But perhaps the most transformative leap has come from Google's integration of its Gemini AI models, a process that began in August 2024. The Gemini AI now powers a host of features across the Google Home ecosystem, most notably enhancing Nest cameras with advanced event recognition. Instead of scrolling through hours of video, the AI provides concise, descriptive summaries of detected events. Looking for that delivery from earlier in the afternoon? Gemini AI can instantly pinpoint the footage you need, saving time and reducing frustration. Automation is another area where Google has made significant strides. The new Help Me Create feature in the Google Home app empowers users to set up personalized automations using natural language commands. Want the hallway lights to dim when you say goodnight? Or need your coffee machine to start brewing when the first person in the house wakes up? With AI-driven suggestions and a more intuitive setup, Google Home is now more accessible to users of all technical backgrounds. Despite these advances, it's important to acknowledge some of the growing pains experienced by users over the past year. In July 2025, widespread glitches affected a variety of Google smart home devices, including Nest security cameras, speakers, doorbells, and thermostats. Many users reported unresponsive voice controls and inconsistent device behavior, leading to frustration and, in some cases, disruption of daily routines. Google was quick to publicly recognize these technical issues, assuring users that fixes and stability improvements were underway. Their commitment to transparency and ongoing updates reflects a company determined to maintain trust as it pushes the boundaries of smart home technology. Looking at the broader landscape, these recent developments reinforce Google Home's position as a smart choice for adults seeking a connected, manageable, and future-proof household. The platform's strengths lie in its wide compatibility with third-party devices, its ever-expanding AI capabilities, and the thoughtful integration of automation tools that simplify rather than complicate daily life. For those considering an investment in smart home technology, it's clear that Google Home offers a compelling mix of cutting-edge features and practical utility. The customizable favorites and improved app navigation make managing multiple devices effortless. The integration of Gemini AI means smarter cameras and more responsive routines. And with Google's active approach to troubleshooting and improvement, users can expect a system that continues to evolve alongside their needs. In summary, while recent glitches have highlighted the challenges of managing a complex, interconnected ecosystem, Google's rapid response and continued innovation position its home platform as a standout in the smart home market. For modern adults who value convenience, security, and the latest in AI-powered automation, Google Home remains a top contender, one that's well worth considering as you build your own high-tech living space. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for ongoing updates and in-depth reviews of the latest in smart home advancements. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.